I'm a doctor working as associate professor in a government medical college in India. I worked in the rural areas of Odisha state for near about 5 years, and I've seen the tribal people they suffer like anything. At one time, I remember when I passed MBBS and joined government service, and I was sent to the very remote area, tribal area of uh, the Koraput district of Odisha, and I while after doing the work there for some days, once there was a news that epidemic has broken in one village. So I, along with my team members, we went to a village. We crossed around two rivers, one hill, and then reached the village. We distributed medicines there. What I found there, people are very poor in those areas. They are almost living like animals, or maybe slightly better than animals. So, so while returning, there was a place in a school. The lunch was arranged, and we sat there. And I asked to the team members why the people are so poor. And one person replied that people are poor because they are lazy. They they don't work. They will not work if they have food for once in their house. So they are so poor, living in thatched house like animals, maybe slightly better than animals. Hmm. So one thing is that they are lazy. Another thing is what I have seen is their blind belief. In case of disease, they don't go to the doctor. They sacrifice animals. They go follow some blind rituals, and they think that the things will be over in due course of time. Okay. So m- m- so what I feel, and because of this ignorance, so many local touters they take the advantage, and the Maoists also they take advantage of their ignorance. So they convince them that the people who are affluent in those areas they are exploiting them, not there who are affluent in other parts of the state or the country they are exploiting them, so they are poor. Okay. So but the situation is not that. So the anybody you have to anybody who is asking to the almighty, the infinite intelligence, anything anybody can ask, the god is there to provide. God will definitely provide. But but the thing is that they don't want to improve, and you cannot blame the government. The government is giving enough funds, enough facilities are provided, but the people they are not taking the advantage of it. So many times I feel why it happens. So many times I have seen that once in 2014 I was selected among the five doctors, as one of the five doctors from all over India to take training in bioinformatics at IIT Delhi. Okay. And at the time I had something came to my mind that at the genetic level something is there operating. Okay. So we have seen that the same drug works in one patient but does not work in another patient. So there comes the concept of genomic medicine or personalized medicine or precision medicine. So uh, I think that if we do something at the at the genomic level of these tribal people, these are majority of the day, these places, the backward places of Odisha, they the majority are tribal people, and they don't understand the concept of improvement, the concept of um, self improvement, nothing they understand. They just think that they are born to live like that. So if we can bring some change in their lives, so this, they will take the advantage of these different government programs, and the situation will change. Now, how to change? We have to find out different markers at this stage. This is what is in my mind. We have to find different markers which are responsible for different diseases, and we have to educate them. We have to improve their health status, and the different seminars or something like that uh, should be taken up at their level to make them understand that they are the persons uh, who will improve themselves. They are the persons who will have to work to improve their lifestyle. No one else from outside, and other people are not responsible for their poverty. It is to be understood. They should understand this. Then if they will understand this, the whole situation will change.